global climate change affects everything living on Earth. I'm Bree Steffen in San Diego, where scientists here are harnessing the power of plants to help solve the problem. If this microscope reminds you of an air fryer, then consider Professor Wolfgang Busch the master chef. He believes the key to solving the climate crisis is locked inside the roots of plants.
So this is a root, and of course we zoom in with very high magnification so you can see the cells.
Busch is co-director of the Harnessing Plants Initiative at the Salk Institute for Biological Studies. He's trying to make crops grow bigger, stronger, deeper roots.
This is a rice plant, and you can see its root system in this transparent gel.
Plants are the original carbon scrubbers, sucking CO2 from the atmosphere and storing it in their roots. Carbon dioxide trapped in the atmosphere causes global warming, but carbon in the ground is actually good fertilizer.
You can see all the images we are taking continuously.
Unfortunately, right now, when crops and other plants die and decompose, a lot of that carbon goes back into the atmosphere. Professor Joanne Corey has researched how plants grow for decades. She's living with Parkinson's disease, but that hasn't kept her from digging deeper for the solution to climate change.
We're at a crossroads. We have to make a decision or not make a decision. Both of those are going to have consequences. We can't just come in and wreck places and then move on. It's not like that. So we have our silent partner, the plants. They don't say much, but they communicate with each other and with other organisms through chemistry.
A part of that chemistry is a little thing called suberin. It's already in plant roots and it loves to absorb carbon. By growing roots with more suberin, Busch hopes to transform wheat, rice, corn, and more crops into carbon-storing machines.
Carbon in the soil is great. If you have soils that have a lot of carbon, those soils are more fertile. So it's a double win. We fight the climate crisis and we can actually increase the productiveness of soils.
There's a lot of work left to do as this small but mighty team figures out every little way these plants can keep us alive.
We also want to get the next generation that we can do further experiments and learn more about their ability to store more carbon in the soil.
Busch will push forward, hoping his plants will save the world.
It's a great privilege to be able to work on a problem that is both scientifically very, very interesting, but also has a tremendous potential to make our world better.
A bold vision that could solve a catastrophic problem.